I'm searching for life again. I'm searching for a new beginning. I'm searching for real again. I'm searching for love that never ends. Rain.
It's almost 11 o'clock. I'm making some sausage. Sarah's still oiling. She's determined to get that done. First coat.
Like magic dust from space. It's like a thrill that fills my heart. I'm searching for.
Island's getting pretty small over there. Plenty of oil. It doesn't even look like you used very much.
No, it doesn't. We have another one downstairs.
Another whole can? Wow.
Sure.
We wanted to have extra in case we wanted to redo the maple. I think it's time we go to the dump.
I'm searching for life again. I'm searching for a new beginning. Oh, I'm searching for real again. I'm searching for love that never ends.
We left this big piece. We can rip that up and throw it in our normal trash. We did get all of the bags down here and the stuff. This bag, I think, is, yeah, that's all blown insulation, like the upstairs bags, so we're keeping that. Keeping the 2x4s, keeping this. The toilet could have gone technically. It's broken. And we're not going to keep the sink thing probably. And I can't imagine anybody really wants it. It's pretty rough. The sink I'm probably going to keep because there's plumbing that I want on it. And I kind of like the legs. that are on it, and we might be able to use those for the other sink that we have. And then, well, this is trash, but a lot of that's like metally, coppery kind of things. Same with that. So I guess you got to be happy with what we did get, even though I would have liked to be able to fit. I think there's like 4 more bags upstairs, but as you can see, Clifford's pretty loaded. I could have gone, you know, clearly more higher, but I also don't want to like overdo it, you know. We got to unload the stuff by hand. Dump closes at noon. It's 10 o'clock now. You know what I'm saying. You want to do the intro?
Welcome back to the Stone House.
Okay, this is where we've left it. Kind of cleaned up a little bit off camera. Put all the bags over here. I'll probably start over here and start ripping down all of this ceiling. Ow, ow. That's a head bumper. All this ceiling wood. You can see lots of blown insulation. I mean, that is like so thick. Oh. So, but you know, it's got to be done. We're spray foaming. This is it. This is your chance to do it and do it the best you can do it. So that's what we're doing. I got to get the fans and stuff hooked up.
I'm searching for a love that never ends. I'm searching for life again. I'm searching for a new beginning. Oh, I'm searching for real again. I'm searching for a love that never ends.
It's honestly going as good as I could have expected. I'm searching for light again. I'm searching for a new beginning. I'm searching for real again. I'm searching for love